You are most welcome to another trick, and we're saying that 1 is wrong. So if you're trying it out and you're getting 1, or as you look at it and you judge that the answer is 1, it is not yet 1. It's not correct. So 1 is not a correct answer. In other words, 1 is wrong. Let us have the response here. Having 5 divided by 5, then divided by 5, divided by 5 is the same as, so this is in vertical format. Let us make it to be in horizontal format. So it's the same as having 5 divided by 5 divided by 5, then divided by 5. Then from here we are going to divide these digits, but beginning from the left hand side towards the right hand side. This is what we are saying. We are having now the next step being equal to 5 divided by 5, we are getting 1 divided by, so this is the sign we have just written, divided by 5, then divided by 5. As we proceed, we are having our 1. Since this is the division symbol, let us change it to multiplication. Then we get the reciprocal of 5, which is 1 divided by 5. Also, the same applies to this. We change it to multiplication, and we get the reciprocal, which is 1 out of 5. So our next step, we are just going to multiply. So we have a 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 for the side of the numerators. Then here is the denominator of 1, and then we have 1 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. As we simplify, we are having the numerator as 1 divided by 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. Then 5 multiplied by another 5 gives us the 25. So as we divide 1 by 25, that's 0.04. We can now go ahead and conclude that therefore the 5 divided by 5 divided by 5, still divided by 5, equals to 1 divided by 25, or equals to 0.04. So these are the correct answers we can have for this question. And please, if you're on this channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you're notified whenever I upload a video. Like and share. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.